Okay, here we go, number 11. 2A. I'm going to read the question first. It says, retirement seems a long way off, and we need money now. So saving for retirement is hard. Among households with an unemployed person aged 21 to 64, only 63% own a retirement account. The mean value in these accounts is 112,300, but the median value is just 31,600. For people 55 or older, the mean is 222,100, and the median is 64,400. What explains the differences between the two measures of center? All right. I hope it's clear now from lectures and class. I think I personally have repeated it a bunch of times, that the median is resistant from outliers, but it's the mean that gets pulled wherever our outliers are. So in this question, we're talking about incomes here. Not necessarily incomes, but people saving for retirement. Already we can tell that there are a few people between ages 21 to 64. Right here it says between age 21 to 64. Only 63% own a retirement account. So there's already a few number of people that choose to save for retirement. And then of those 63%, it says 112,000 is the mean for that, but the median is 31,600. So if we know that the median is resistant to outlier, but the mean is pulled wherever our outliers are, these are significantly different from each other because our mean is being pulled to the right from the heavy outliers of individuals who decide to save a lot more than the rest of the people who save for retirement. So there are people that have incomes that can satisfy that kind of lifestyle where they could save more for retirement. There are people that are making over $1 million a year, and so they save a ton of that money to a retirement account, and so those become our outlier. And so that's the reason why our mean gets pulled to the right, because of those individuals that save a lot more than others. And so again, for 55 or older, the mean is much higher than the median, because again, there are people even in that age, maybe more significantly in that age, that make a lot more money and get to save a lot more for retirement. And they're older, so they're saving a lot more because retirement is close. So the distribution is going to look right skewed, right? And the right skewed looks like this. I'm just going to draw it for the sake of drawing. Right skewed is or our tail is right there. This is our tail. Right skewed. So this is right skewed. So our answer is not going to be B or D. It's between A and C. Let's read A first. A says the distributions are probably right skewed because most of those with retirement savings have not saved much. Right? That's exactly pretty much what I explained, giving low medians. But a few have saved hundreds of thousands or more, thus pulling the means up sharply. So again, this is pretty much where your big bucks are making a lot of monies, big bucks, and they're saving a ton. And then this is where most people, where our median is. This is where most people, the amount that they save for retirement, because they don't have the luxury of saving so much. In contrast to people who make a ton, who can save a lot. Sorry if that was repetitive, but the answer for this question is A.